So today we are going to fold our fitted sheet. And obviously the reason everybody has trouble folding it is the elastic that makes it fit. So we are going to find the corners at the bottom and put it into the seam at the top, lining it up. The one in our hand first is inside out, top is inside right. And then you're going to grab the sheet and make it a top corner and a bottom corner. And then you're going to do the same on the other side, grabbing the hand into your hand, inside out, at the seam up, matching up with the seam from the top, sliding your hand down to find where that corner would be. And then you're just going to grab the corner where your seam is and where the corner that you've made at the bottom and just pull it tight. The top isn't going to be nice, but that's okay. Yeah, at this point. Then so at the top here, we just want to pull it tight. Make sure the creases are all out of it. And then we just fold it in. This is going to make, along that line, is the top line. And this is going to make a nice rectangle where we have 4 sides that are flat. We end up with the basic rectangle shape now, which makes it a whole lot easier to just fold like you normally would. Thinnest side, without folding this side, makes it an even rectangle now. So now we have our rectangle shape, with each side folded over at least once. We can fold our side to match up. Now we do our KonMari, sliding our hands out to, smooth it. It does end up being thinner than we normally would fold because we want it to be able to be strong enough and firm enough to stand on its own. And you will see that it is nicely even. We do our folds smaller than we traditionally would because we are going to, instead of having them lay flat, we want them to stand up on their own, and this is just too floppy. You're going to adjust according to your home and where you're putting it, in either a drawer, a cupboard, the linen closet. I like to fold in all of them because then it has a finished look and it's nice and neat and tidy. Inside seam, and we're going to cover it, match it up with the other inside seam, bring it over top. So this corner goes here, down and over, and we match up this corner. So you can see that it's similar over here. So I took a few pictures showing each stage where you fold in from the corners, and then you fold in the last piece that has the elastic and make the corners nicely so that you have the rectangle, and then you do the fold of the part that hasn't been folded already, and then you fold it again to make it this nice long rectangle, and one more time, and then lengthwise fold it, and you can do all the little folds to make it the size that fits your storage space.